Portugal is located on the Iberian Peninsula, bordered to the west and south by the Atlantic Ocean. It shares land borders with Spain to the east and north. Its strategic location on the southwest coast of Europe has had a significant impact on its history and development. Portugal has a diverse population of around 10 million people. The demographic distribution varies, with urban areas such as Lisbon and Porto being more densely populated. The population growth rate has been moderate in recent years, and the country is experiencing an aging population, with a significant proportion of elderly individuals. The official language of Portugal is Portuguese, spoken by the vast majority of the population. Portuguese is a Romance language and is similar to Galician, spoken in the Galicia region of northwest Spain. The official currency of Portugal is the euro. Since its adoption in 1999, the euro has become the common currency used by Eurozone countries, facilitating transactions and travel within the European Union. Portugal is a democratic and parliamentary republic. The Constitution of the Portuguese Republic, adopted in 1976, establishes the framework for the country's political organization. The President of the Republic is the head of state with a ceremonial role, while the Prime Minister is the head of government and leads the executive branch. Portuguese society values family and community. Family relationships are important, and community structure often reflects strong intergenerational ties. While there are modern urban communities, especially in Lisbon and Porto, rural areas retain rooted traditions and a sense of community. Portuguese society tends to be welcoming and friendly. Local festivities and community celebrations are important occasions for gathering. Solidarity and mutual aid are highlights of Portuguese social life, and cultural events such as popular festivals reflect community identity and pride. Portuguese cuisine is known for its diversity and authentic flavors. Typical meals include cod, prepared in various ways, such as bacalhau à Brás or bacalhau à Gomes de Sá. Another iconic dish is caldeirada, a fish stew. Cozido à Portuguesa is a traditional slow-cooked meat and vegetable dish. Additionally, stone soup and custard tarts, pastéis de nata, are popular choices. Portuguese gastronomy has been influenced by various cultures over the centuries. The introduction of spices and exotic foods during the Age of Discoveries has left a lasting mark. The cuisine has Mediterranean elements, but has also adopted African, Asian, and South American influences, creating a unique fusion of flavors. Portugal's economy has undergone significant changes in recent decades. Key industries include tourism, textile and footwear manufacturing, agriculture, with an emphasis on wine and olive oil production, the automotive industry, and technology. The services sector, especially tourism, has played a crucial role in the country's economic growth. The transportation infrastructure in Portugal is modern and well-developed, facilitating mobility within the country and connecting with other European regions. Public transportation in Portugal offers efficient options for moving within cities and between regions, known for being punctual and accessible, providing residents and visitors with a variety of choices for efficient travel throughout the country. Portugal has a variety of climates due to its diverse geography. Overall, it can be described as Mediterranean, with warm and dry summers and mild and humid winters. However, there are regional variations. The northern region tends to be wetter, while the south, especially the Algarve, has a drier and warmer climate. The islands of Madeira and Azores in the Atlantic have subtropical and oceanic climates, respectively. The predominant landscape in Portugal is diverse, including mountains, plains, rivers, and an extensive Atlantic coastline. Portugal's history is rich and dates back to the formation of the County of Portugal in the 12th century. During the Age of Discoveries in the 15th and 16th centuries, Portugal played a prominent role in maritime exploration and established trade routes with Africa, Asia, and South America. The Portuguese Empire extended worldwide, leaving a lasting cultural footprint. Traditions and customs in Portugal reflect the country's identity and history. Traditional music, such as fado, is a unique and melancholic artistic expression. Tile ceramics, cork craftsmanship, and wine production are integral parts of the culture. Portugal offers a wide range of tourist attractions, from beautiful beaches to historic cities. Some popular destinations include Lisbon, the Portuguese capital, known for its cobbled alleys, the Alfama district, São Jorge Castle, and lively nightlife in Barro Alto. Porto, famous for its port wine cellars along the Douro River, Clarigos Tower, and the Historic Center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Faro and the Algarve. The Algarve region is famous for its stunning beaches, golden cliffs, and charming coastal cities like Faro, Lagos, and Albufeira. Sintra, a romantic and picturesque town, known for its fairy tale palaces, including the National Palace of Sintra and the Pena Palace. Daily life in Portugal reflects a combination of modernity and tradition. Cities like Lisbon and Porto offer vibrant urban lifestyles, while rural areas retain more rooted traditions. The importance of family is evident in daily life, with shared meals and family events playing a central role. Coffee is an integral part of Portuguese culture, and the lunch break is a time to enjoy a relaxed meal. Curious or peculiar facts. Cork oak trees. Portugal is the world's leading producer of cork. Cork oak trees, from which cork is extracted, are an integral part of the Portuguese landscape. Saudade. The word saudade has no direct translation in many languages. It is a Portuguese expression describing a feeling of melancholy or nostalgia, often associated with the longing for something that is absent. Europe's longest bridge, the Vasco da Gama Bridge, located in Lisbon, is the longest bridge in Europe, with a length of over 17 kilometers. Thank you for exploring the wonderful land of Portugal with us. From the charming cobbled streets of Lisbon to the rolling vineyards of the Douro Valley, Portugal offers a unique experience where history, culture, and nature converge. Discover its ancient legends, enjoy Portuguese hospitality, and marvel at the diversity of its landscapes. Portugal, with its golden beaches, historic cities, and delicious cuisine, awaits discovery. Dive into the saudade, the unique melancholy of this charming country. So why not pack your bags and explore Portugal? We're sure you'll take home unforgettable memories from this fascinating corner of Europe. Until the next adventure,